Sawadee-ka, Soul Foodies. I'm Chef Nikky, and today we're going to make the most iconic dish of Thailand, Pad Thai, but with a twist, Pad Thai Woon Sen. The recipe of Pad Thai Woon Sen that's in my cookbook is simple, easy, and fast to make. The traditional Pad Thai uses rice noodles, but Pad Thai Woon Sen uses clear noodles. Watch and see how this is gonna change up the classic. Let's Pad Thai things up. In my traditional Pad Thai video, I show you how to make the Pad Thai sauce, so go and check out that video for the recipe. Or if you want to make your life super easy, just go and order a couple of my Pad Thai sauces on my website at chefnikky.com. Now let's talk about Woon Sen. In Thailand, I grew up knowing it as a diet noodle. It is made from mung bean, which is just green beans that have grown up to be bean sprouts. The cool thing about these noodles is that when it absorbs water, it expands so you can eat less of it and it really fills you up. I keep a few of these packets in my pantry because they will last for years. To prep the noodles, you will first need to soak the woon sen in lukewarm water for about 30 minutes with enough water to cover. After that, drain the noodles and set aside. Now we're ready to pat the Thai, stir fry, because pat means to stir fry and we're gonna stir fry the Thai, Pad Thai.
What?
Anyway, let's get started. Heat oil in a large nonstick wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the tofu cubes or strips and remove it with a slotted spoon and set aside. Add chicken and stir fry until fully cooked. Then we're gonna add the shrimp and cook it until it's no longer translucent. Move all your proteins to the side of the wok and add in the eggs and scramble. Next, we're gonna add the noodles and a little bit of water to create steam. The steam is important in this process to keep the noodles whole without overcooking it. Once the noodles are soft, add back the tofu and then pour in the Pad Thai sauce. Stir fry until all the sauce has been absorbed into the noodles. Turn off the heat and then add in your bean sprouts and scallion so that the residual heat in the noodles itself will just lightly soften the bean sprouts. Serve immediately, top with more fresh bean sprouts and crushed peanuts. And to enjoy it the Thai way, add Thai chili flakes and a fresh lime. I would only stir fry 2 portions at a time to make sure that we don't overcrowd the pan so that the noodles don't get mushy. Now, let's taste. Oh, so good. These noodles are perfect. When you taste it, literally, all the sauce is like inside the noodles. They've been absorbed so perfectly. Look how pretty these glass noodles, clear noodles are just so pretty and so tasty. Makes me think of home, my homeland in Thailand. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikky. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikky.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. So you can also make this Pad Thai the traditional way with rice noodles or with no noodles at all, and I have both videos for both recipes. So make sure you go check them all out. And until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ